Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the NIC price cycle indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the NIC price cycle indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 29 different strategies, with 6 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 409 indicators, with a total of 169 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 169 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. Alright, so today's indicator is the NIC price cycle indicator. And you can kind of see it here on screen. So we have these little triangles here, or little arrows, giving us kind of a direction in which we will be going. This indicator also consisted of quite a few Fibonacci levels, and I went ahead and turned those off just so you understand kind of what it looked like. You can see here that it created these dotted lines here on screen, which again consisted of the different Fibonacci levels. The creator of the indicator on the indicator page didn't seem to really address using the Fibonacci levels in any specific way, and obviously these arrows were meant to be short and long signals, and so that's how we are going to go ahead and test it today, is just using these arrows. When we get a red arrow, we're going to go short. When we get a green arrow, we are going to go long. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we pick up our first signal right there. Unfortunately, on the next candle, we get a signal back to the downside there. And within one more candle there, 2 candles, we pick up a signal to go back to the long side. Let's measure this out. Nope, we missed take profit on that second one right there. But on this third signal, we are able to finally get to take profit. Go ahead and move forward here. See that we pick up a short right there. That one's also going to get us to take profit. Moving on here. we pick up a long right there on that one. Don't know if we've hit take profit quite yet. Yep, we did. Just kind of barely, but take profit nonetheless. Continue on here. Pick up a short right there. Pretty quickly flip to the upside right there on that one. That one is going to get us to take profit as well. See if we can pick up the next one here. Right there. We pick up a short, and again we get to take profit pretty easily on that one. Along here on this side, and once again looks like we get to take profit. Pick up a short right there. That one looks like it got to take profit. Let's just go ahead and measure it out to be safe. It did. Then we pick up a long right there. That one's gonna miss take profit. Yep. And it's gonna flip to the downside right there on that one, and followed by a really massive bar right there. That definitely got us to the take profit. Just get us to the end of the year right there. Alright, so we pick up a long right there. That's going to get stopped out the very next candle. But that one there, the short, gets us to take profit. Then we pick up a long right there, and that one also gets us to take profit. And that will put us at the end of the year right there. So before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to the Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, you'll get access to the Patreon only channel. We were posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. So if you use those, you will have access to that list. Our admins and regular members are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They are growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you will get the full list of indicators, shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, and their win rates. And another new thing that I've been doing here recently is I put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we've tested. So you'll get that list as well, that Excel sheet that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. So there's a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so back to the indicator here. Get everything in focus here, and we will count these out and see what we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 winners. So that barely gets us up over that 60% hump that we are looking for. Not a horrible indicator. It gave us a reasonable number of trades within a year, got us in at some pretty decent times, and got us to the 60%, so you can't complain about that. All right, this one's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.